Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. And photography is not just a hobby for me, it's how I see the world. Photography is like poetry without words. It captures moments, freezes time, and lets us feel what words sometimes can't express. When I click a picture of the sky, I see endless streams. When I capture the river, I feel the flow of life. And the trees whisper stories of time. And the rain, oh, the rain turns the world into a beautiful painting. Each drop a stroke of nature's brush. Yeah, definitely. People say a picture speaks 1,000 words. A portrait of a smiling human tells a story of joy. Likewise, a plate of steaming food, not just a meal, but a memory, a taste frozen in time. And the land. Actually, photography isn't just about taking pictures, it's about seeing life differently, feeling every frame,